evening. What do you want to do tonight?
Same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
How to always have an abundance of money. I have earned over $1 million using these techniques I'm about to show you. They work and will always work because you're working with energy. To begin, money has to be understood. It's too important not to. Some people don't like that I say this, but it's true. Money seems to be the blood in the veins that keep society running. Literally, everything costs money. Since money isn't going anywhere, it's best that we understand money on an energetic level so we have all we need to live a full, fun life. Yes, in this society, it is impossible to live a life without it. First things first, all energy is attracted to similar energy. This is the structure of the universe. Like attracts like. This simple universal truth can easily make you a thousandaire, millionaire, or billionaire, depending on your preference. We have to get rid of the negative stigma surrounding money. At its base, it's a neutral energy. It isn't good or bad. It's simply energy. By simply thinking and speaking words of wealth and prosperity, we begin to aim our creative forces in that direction. But we can't contradict these thoughts and words with opposing thoughts of lack and desperation. You have to, and I repeat, you have to convince the subconscious mind that it's easy for you to make money. Convince your subconscious mind that somehow in some way you are a money magnet. Convince the subconscious mind that money sticks around like a shadow. When you successfully do this, money ideas, money opportunities, and random money will simply fall into your lap. We all know people like this. It seems as if money simply follows them. There is no reason why you can't be one of them. Understand this. Life holds nothing from us. It gives us what we first give it. No one is holding you back from being a prosperity magnet, but your own belief system. One of the best ways to recondition and change your belief system is through affirmation. Speaking words of command and decree. I am rich. I am a money magnet. All things lead to my success, happiness, and wealth. Money follows me like a shadow. I love the energy of money. See, whatever you say with emotion and conviction and repetition has a major impact on your subconscious mind. And whatever your subconscious mind believes, it becomes reality in this dimension. The funny thing is, you don't even have to believe what you're saying. If you say it long enough and strong enough, you will believe it. And your reality will reflect that new belief. But this takes discipline. Can you do your affirmations every single day? Can you do your affirmations until that energy wells up within you? This takes a disciplined mind, because at first you may feel silly, but once the prosperity rolls in, that silliness disappears. Make it a point to say your affirmations for at least 5 minutes a day. Remember, You're generating energy. Speak words of power, prosperity, abundance, success, and watch how that energy begins to move in your life. Here is a powerful morning exercise that I want you to do every single morning. Close your eyes. Take 10 deep breaths and visualize money falling on you from the ceiling. Let the money pile up around you as if you're bathing in it. Actually feel it on your skin. See yourself enjoying this money. See yourself sharing this money with others. All the while whispering to yourself, thank you for my abundance. Thank you for my prosperity. Thank you for my abundance. Thank you for my prosperity. Now visualize God's white light surrounding you, engulfing you, knowing whatever the light touches, it prospers. I will speak more about this in part 2. Do this for 5 minutes and then go about your day. After 5 minutes, do you realize the amount of energy you have generated? Enough energy to manipulate the world around you. Your day will now go according to this new energy. Expect a prosperous response from the universe. This response can be anything from a random check in the mail, finding money, receiving new ideas, or opportunities to earn money. Don't limit your channels. The universe is brilliantly wise and oftentimes sends wealth in ways we never even dreamed possible. Now, it's important not to fret or force this energy. Simply allow your intuition to guide you on the prosperous path. You can actually become rich by simply following your intuition. Let's say you've just started a business venture. It's important to move your feelings ahead of you and to use your intuition and test the vibration. If something doesn't feel right, it isn't right. Don't proceed. But if it feels right, go forward with reckless abandon, understanding and knowing and trusting that everything will fall in place. By observing your feelings, you can avoid pitfalls, future mistakes, or snaky people. You can also use your feelings to find successful ventures and great people and great opportunities. Remember, men lie, women lie, energy doesn't lie. This now concludes part 1. Part 2 comes out next week, where we will be discussing using white light energy to enhance anything you're doing. Do me a favor, hit the notification button so you receive every video I have to offer. This is Justin from YouAreCreators, and we support your dreams.